just lightweight plastic. It looks nice. Oh, I spotted the trailer. I didn't spot that. Somebody's old collection. That's quite heavy. I don't really want to pick it up to look underneath. Can I? There's no price underneath. Oh, that's quite a beast. A lot of detail. Steering, suspension. I've not seen a price on it anywhere. It's a beauty, that is. Got nowhere to put that myself. Sure somebody would like it. Detail. Well, I've got them to bring it inside and tell me how much they think it's worth. They're only asking £10 for it. It's absolutely beautiful, isn't it? Back open, I can't see. There's just so much detail on it. It's obviously a collector's item, yeah, or a display item. So,
it's lovely, isn't it?
If you like that sort of thing.
Well, yeah.
Yeah. I'm like, I don't expect it to be your daily driver, would it?
Wouldn't be a lady driver.
Daily driver. You wouldn't be driving it to work every day, would you?
A lady driver, I've got our time. Quite happy to drive that.
That's quite amazing. Doors open and everything. Yes, that's got to be somebody's pride and joy on a shelf somewhere, hasn't it? So you come out of the pub, you look across the road, and you think, are those windows straight, or am I straight? So we're out at Chipping Sodbury. I've done the charity shops. There's only 3 here. Well, no, yeah, I think it is only 3. I think the other one's shut down. There was 4. Just some lovely old buildings here. Lots of posh cars. And a bit of wind. A bit of wind noise.
Been a good boy, you might get one for Christmas.
Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.